Assalamu alaikum, I'm Arfa Akhlaq and welcome to Fried and Tasted. All the recipes here are tried and tested. So the next in the Copycat series is the crispy chicken burger, which is better than KFC. It is better for many reasons, but mainly because it is prepared at home with the best ingredients and too much love. So I know that KFC claims to be using 11 spices in its chicken, but I have just used 4 and I really feel like I have not compromised in taste. If you want, you can add more spices and share it with me too so that I can try them and see how much influence it is having on the taste. Another important factor for a good burger is the bun. Never ever underestimate the power of a good bun, because there is nothing more disappointing in a burger than to have a stale bun. So remember these things and let's see how to prepare the crispy chicken for the burger. For the chicken burger here, I have taken some chicken fillet and I have cut it into almost like the size of the burger bun that I am using. And here for the marination, I have taken mayonnaise, red chili powder, garlic powder, paprika powder, some lemon juice, cumin powder and salt. And then for the coating here, I have egg and milk. And then for the another layer of coating here, I have taken some all-purpose flour, a little bit of cornstarch and rice flour.
So the first step is to take the chicken pieces and then with the help of mallet gently tap it on the chicken pieces like this. The whole purpose behind this step is to loosen and flatten the chicken pieces. This way they will easily absorb the marination and will get cooked evenly. Now I want to show you the difference between both the pieces. The one that I have flattened is so thin, whereas the other one is thick. This step will take an extra 5 to 10 minutes, but trust me, it is worth it. For the marination, in a clean bowl, I'm taking some mayonnaise. So I really love using the squeezy bottle for mayonnaise. And in this, I'm going to squeeze half a lemon. Both the mayonnaise and lemon really makes the chicken very tender. And now I'm adding some garlic powder and paprika. I'm also adding some red chili powder and cumin powder. Let's not forget the salt. And after adding all these things, I'm just going to mix all of it together. The marinade is ready now, and you see we don't need 11 spices for it. And now one by one I'm going to coat all the chicken pieces in it. So now all the chicken pieces are coated evenly with the marinade, and now I will just marinate it for at least 1 hour. Let's prepare a quick sauce that we'll add in the burger. So here for it I'm taking some mayonnaise, and to it I will add ketchup and then mix all of it together. Let's see what all we'll be needing for our burger. So I have some lettuce, some cheese slices. Then here I have some onions that have lightly sauteed. You can use onions without sauteing them. Then some tomatoes and a very good quality burger buns, as I have mentioned before also. The fresher the better. And I have slightly toasted this as well. Just before frying them, I'll prepare an assembly line. For it, I will take some egg and milk and whisk it. For the dry coating here, I have some all-purpose flour, and in it I'm adding 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of rice flour. This will lend a crispy texture to the chicken. Some salt and some garlic powder and paprika, and then mix all of this also. Now one by one I'll coat all the chicken pieces first into the egg mixture and then in the flour mixture. Make sure to coat it very evenly, back in the egg mixture and then again in the flour mixture. This ensures that the chicken pieces are covered from all the sides. Now on a medium-high flame I'm going to fry these chicken pieces. Make sure that the oil is not very hot. Don't overcrowd the pan. 2 to 3 pieces are enough at a time, otherwise the temperature of the oil will drop down and the coating of the chicken will start falling apart. After 2 to 3 minutes, it will start changing color, and so we should flip it now. And because we tapped it before and made it thin, it will get cooked very fast. And now after frying for 2 or 3 minutes on the other side as well, I'm going to dish it out and then we'll prepare our burger. Now let's start assembling the burger. For it, we'll just spread the mayonnaise sauce on top of it, and then we'll place the lettuce. I like a lot of lettuce, so I have taken a big piece and then just folded it all together and placed it in the middle. I have the chicken pieces. On that I have onions and tomatoes. Here goes the cheese slice. You can just adjust it according to what you want and how you want it. And then place some more sauce on the top part of the burger as well. Smear it lavishly. You can spread more than how much I have used, and then place it on top of the burger. Press it a little, and they are ready.